We have seen plenty of reporters get harassed and annoyed, but how about straight up attacked in public?
Channel 4's Adam Landau is live in Jacksonville Beach with the decibel details. Adam?
Well,
I will sue you, bitch!
It's out here for many reasons, and that's just one of the reasons.
Yeah, put that on the news.
Another dangerous game kids play is to tunnel in snowbanks near the road. A few years ago, one boy
Meanwhile, the people at this rally don't appreciate this reporter sensationalizing their nonviolent protest, so one of them decides to retaliate.
A little while ago who said this is worse than pretty much any protest, even back in the 60s and the Vietnam era, that he's seen around here.
The coverage highlights quote-unquote violence or property destruction, and you have 10,000 people out here, and most of them are being completely nonviolent. It gets people feeling like it's not fair.
You understand that there's violence and destruction going on. It's not like, well, we can't shoot it.
Who did that? Who's a coward? Who did that? Why didn't you come talk to me in my face? I want to know.
She's a newswoman.
From where? What channel?
Like Channel 4.
You got hit by a flash by rat. That came from the stars. It was the Iranians, lady. They hit you.
Finally, this gracious old geezer loves to welcome new people into his business.
You got your camera on? Huh?
Don't touch me, sir.
It only costs 20 to 35 bucks to bust this man in the mouth.
Sir, who are you? Your son's facing some pretty serious charges, and you seem to be back in business now. In a new place where people don't know you. We'd like to...
Don't you dare attempt to go in my business. Don't you dare. Now you better get your and get it gone before that man gets here.
Well, we'll be calling police, and you'll be arrested for assault, sir. You just punched me in the face.
You're trying to get in. No
sir,
one
you were holding the door.
No one invited you in there.
And you didn't tell us not to go in either. And you just punched me in the face.
Yeah, and I'm gonna punch you again.
One of you awesome people sent in a video that is a bit too offensive for YouTube, so I uploaded it to my Facebook page instead. If you're not easily offended, check it out, link in the description.